energy is solar. Currently is one of the most developed and used renewable energy in the world, and its consumption varies in different parts of the world since in normal use in companies such as Coca-Cola, Bimbo, were among many others. According to a study conducted in the year 2030 and 2014, uh, the United States is the main country that uses solar energy in its companies and some items in the same house. Mm, the United Kingdom in the second country and solely for its benefit. China and despite being a very developing country ranks in the solar use. Mm, and so goes on visiting friends, is in Greece, Australia, Germany, Italy, and finally Spain. Mexico is the country where solar energy is not used to the maximum because only some companies have solar panels, either due to lack on the resource for their investment or because they have not decided to implement this idea.
This is the project development. For the realization of our project, we have chosen the type of solar energy in order to demonstrate the use of solar energy easily and sustainably. In the research carried out, it has been found that the growing need of demand to reduce the environmental impact and at the same time reduce the consumption of current energy has led him to experiment with new processes from which he can take advantage, where we find the production of photovoltaic solar panels as an alternative widely used in recent years. Nowadays, we can find photovoltaic solar panels that are already being used in different places. Unlike homemade ones, they are not very common.
Presidium. Hanai which are the first steps to make of for homemade panel solar, and the first 5 points they are, and the point one and achieved once the light of a box cardboard could piece of aluminum larger than the box leaving to outwind and proceed to stick it to the carton. Point 2. Once glued, the foil on the box should be placed carefully to sticks between the box and the aluminum foil. Screen very careful. Point 3. After that, we already have 2/8 of earned already contact with animal are going to paint a strip in the center of a thick box what is untied the size of a box. Point 4. It's based in lead 3. Point 4. Once paint and read the animal page a strip of cardboard into 4 literals and piece of duct tape type size to the corner.
5. So with a copper wire, we make a fourth electrical resistance, hold with a piece of cardboard and we place inside the solid sticking the tips on the edge. 6. You disconnect the cables into 2 poles, and taking a car nut, um, break aluminum foil. You must fix it in tape to the keyboard to prevent it from breaking. um, 7. Then with a solution of lemon juice and toothpaste, we cover a system and with a solution cover of copper sulfate in salt water covered aluminum part. 8. Those still waste about aluminum and copper sulfate. 9. When we rest for our faith, horse to produce necessary chemical reactions. And finally, we can check it by connecting into a phone model or windmills.
The materials of this project are a cardboard box lid, 1 meter of aluminum foil, 1 meter copper wire, 1 synthetic enamel, 30 grams of stainless shavings, 1 glue, 1 insulating tape, 1 meter of cable, 2 toothpicks, 1 toothpaste, 30 grams of copper sulfate, 15 milliliters of water and salt solution, 1 brush. It is estimated that the project with the materials mentioned has a cost of approximately 230.
With the development of this research work, we have taken the operation of the home solar panel. We decide to take the sun as our source of renewable energy, and although at the beginning it was seen in an easy way, it was possible to operate it the only paying the necessary attention in the procedures. To done not only one thing badly, location or stock wealth, shrunk down our project, and it would start over again and again with more precision and enthusiasm in order to generate the energy from the sun. The development of this project is a way to help the planet because the solar panel is not a source of pollution for the planet. Currently, the solar panel is a real project since many houses have this equipment. The explanation the explanation of these things aims to show how to make the home-made panel at home to avoid more pollution of the planet.